Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to upload shorts on YouTube. So in order to upload YouTube shorts, what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead into the plus button. And normally you see in those shorts videos, you will see they are under 1 minute and they are in the 9:16 kind of a size, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just select one of these videos that applies to these factors. So if your video is under 1 minute and the size is not suitable for YouTube shorts, like horizontal, that means that you won't be able to upload it as a short. And the same way goes if the video is more than 1 minute, but your video is in horizontal or in the phone kind of a mode. You can see it from on the screen. That means that you have to minimize the video to be under 1 minute or below the 1 minute. So basically I'm gonna just choose the 34 seconds right here, and I'm gonna move on to the next step. And as you can see right here, it's being uploaded as a short. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just type the title and the hashtag for this this short. And if you want to be public or unlisted or private, same goes. And if you want to schedule it to some part of the day, just go ahead and do that and set your time and place. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.